Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info. Today I have Realme 12 Pro and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. Firstly, swipe up the screen and navigate to the settings option. In it, mobile network, and there data and data usage, where we have data usage limit, and there we can set it. First step, we can set day when our data limit starts, maybe first day of each month. There we can set daily data usage limit by switch on and set it in gigabytes, megabytes, what you need. Maybe 5 gigabytes we set. And there we can set after we use it, we get only alert or we get alert and our mobile data will be off. Confirm all by done, and the same story with monthly data limit. Turn on it. There we can set maybe 50 gigabytes for a month. We can set send only alert, and we can also turn on function data warming when we get warming when we use maybe 45 gigabytes. After we set all, we click done and we have it. That's all. Bye.